like, wow, authentic, like legit, professional, quality work is here.
Cuando uno está pequeño, si llegan memorias y recuerdos a la mente, trato de plasmar eso en los cuadros.
It's all just in the moment. A lot of my more recent work has been in infrared just because it's weird and cool, kind of surrealistic.
My husband's work is fun, whimsical, pop art style, very rock and roll, musical. He loved music and arts, and I want to share that with more of his paintings and stuff. And you know, he's on the world tour, and I want to have it go around and have other people enjoy the humor.
I didn't think so much about the color because I knew it was going to be red. Initially, it was supposed to be something that would be a metaphor for Mother Nature, and then it became something that was a little bit more provocative. I think it's super important to be out there in the community. You really don't know exactly where you stand if you don't go out. Put yourself in that position.
Hello everybody, my name is William Bramer and I am the director of Art Fusion Galleries, now in Oakland Park in Florida. And tonight was a really special night. I'm really excited. We had close to 4,000 people in our opaw show, which is like ridiculous. Thanks to Riste from Bandoleros. His food is amazing at Bandoleros, and we showed everyone that this is possible. All of the artists are winners because they all were amazing and they had beautiful works. With 36 votes, the winner is Michael Ramuno. An amazing artist, and I'm so proud of him. So you'll see him on a 3-month exhibition here at Art Fusion Gallery once again. We had a lot of amazing other artists. You know, Adora, which is just a great and wonderful show. We had, of course, Zoltar, and we had Ben, the fire dancer. I just want to mention this piece, and I never talk about my artwork when I'm doing interviews, and I like to mention this piece because it took my left lung out. But I want to talk about it because it's called Phoenix Ascending. And I'm a Scorpio in the zodiac sign, and the other icon for zodiac, besides the scorpion, is a phoenix rising from the dust. In the past year and a half, 2 years, I've gone through a few emotional disasters or emotional lows. But we learn and we grow and we become stronger from those lows. That's what this piece is about. And if only that came out of that relationship, how wonderful it is to have her. It's been a pleasure tonight. It's been so exciting. So thank you again and have a wonderful evening.